Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, Merry Christmas you guys. I hope this Christmas brings lots of gifts and happiness in your life. And as you read by the title, I created this Christmas look which is not too basic. It's very out there. So if you are interested, keep on watching. I'll be sharing how I did this look. It's pretty simple. In case you're new here, make sure to hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 500 subscribers as soon as possible. Follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Let's begin you guys. I know it's winter and you may need a lot of moisturizer, so you may go with the Nivea cream before applying the aloe vera gel. I just applied the aloe vera gel because my skin is pretty oily and I don't think I need double moisturizer. Next up, I'm going with my foundation. This one is Maybelline New York's Fit Me in the shade 220. Actually, this one is my new favorite, you guys. Like, currently I'm just loving applying this. This one simply gives me such a good coverage, not like too heavy, but it does a pretty good job. Up next, I'm going to contour my face. I usually don't do this step, but I just felt the need to do it because yeah, like why not? So I simply went with it, and I also did it to my jawline as well, just to give that sharp, crisp look. Before moving on to my eyes, I just wanted to say yes, I did not apply any loose powder or any compact powder here because I think the foundation did a pretty good job of mattifying my skin. You can of course go ahead and apply the compact powder, whatever suits to your skin, you should be doing that. Coming to my eyes, I chose a very neutral red color. Of course, I'm going with the Christmas vibes, and I went ahead and applied it all over my eyes. Next up comes the main and the fun part of this whole tutorial, the eyeliner. I chose the red eyeliner, and for the first time in my entire life, guys, I'm not even kidding, I did a graphic eyeliner look. मैंने कभी पहले ये नहीं किया है, so I'm sorry if it's not correct, but this is how we should do it. So I'll try to simplify the steps for you. Basically, you're going to go with the simple classic wing eyeliner first, and then you're going to draw a line above it just as shown in the video. Just make sure the above line gets connected to the wing in the end, so that the look looks complete and not messed up. And yeah, that's pretty easy, I guess you understood. Next up, I went ahead and picked this flat brush and thought of applying some color to my eyes because बहुत red हो रहा था. So I thought why not add some more color to it, and my choice was obvious, green color, and I think the green and red combo looks bomb. And I think this turned out so cute. I did not expected this to look this cute. But yeah, next I just went ahead and applied some blush on my face, which is by Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade Rose. This blush actually gives a very natural nude pinkish kinda tone to your face, and yeah, that's what I wanted. Applying it to my cheeks and my nose as well. Do not forget to apply a lot of highlighter. By a lot, I mean really a lot. It's Christmas, you guys. Let's shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so before you come at me, yes, I messed up the transition. I applied my lipstick first and then I applied the mascara. I don't know why I always do this, but yeah, you get the drill. Your mascara comes first and then some lipstick. I went with the classic red lips because it's Christmas and I have said this a lot of times. Okay, bye. with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look right here. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.